love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!
Volkswagen is set to introduce the 2024 Passat in the second half of 2023 or even in 2024, and it is believed to be the last Passat to be used with an inner burning engine. The Passat B9, as its name is anticipated to be, might still have a diesel engine in its variety, yet it might be among the last made by the German brand, at least for its European automobile offering. As you may already know, the Volkswagen team has actually determined to bring the following Passat and the upcoming Škoda Superb closer, and that is the factor the German wagon is being evaluated with an extended wheelbase body. Moreover, the 2024 VW Passat will certainly share the Bratislava factory in Slovakia with the Škoda Superb. We will certainly get to see more models of the upcoming Škoda Superb in the coming months. Up until then, Volkswagen is still making use of the body of its recurring version in an effort to hide the key elements of the Passat B9. What is clear from the start is that it will certainly supply even more room than the recurring version. The existing VW Passat got a facelift that got here on the market in 2019. Currently, Volkswagen supplies the Passat with fuel engines, diesel nuclear power plant, and also a plug-in crossbreed variation. Later on, the Volkswagen Passat Alltrack, based upon the alternative body style, will certainly obtain a new generation, while the car variation will be the last of its kind when the manufacturing of the ongoing version is drawn to a close. Worrying sedans, Volkswagen is just responding to the industry fad, which means a decrease of sales for this body style, which is no more prominent in most markets. China is the exception to the regulation, yet VW has other items in sedan kind. Furthermore, VW is additionally set to launch a mid-sized electrical car, which will be the follower of the Passat sedan.